Hey crew, ever wonder how pilots used to navigate in the early days of aviation? It's super simple and it's not what you'd expect. Before GPS or navigational aids like this one, pilots would simply look out the window and use landmarks or even car maps. But at night it was a different story. Let's head over to St. Paul and I'll explain. Airmail operated around the clock. So in 1919, a man named Donald Bruner began using bonfires to navigate. And in 1921, a pilot named Jack Knight put this to the test with an all-night flight from North Platte, Nebraska to Chicago, Illinois, navigating purely by bonfires. In 1923, the post office worked to complete a transcontinental airway of beacons. Each of these beacons were spaced 15 to 25 miles apart, and you could see them for up to 40 miles. The one you see behind me is in Indian Mounds Park in St. Paul, and it's the last airway beacon preserved for historical purposes in the whole country. I tell you what, I can't imagine sitting in an open cockpit flying across the country at night looking for that beacon of hope that'll get you to your destination. And just like I couldn't imagine navigating at night using just these beacons, I couldn't imagine navigating this crisis we find ourselves in now. But you know what? Darkness does not last forever. The light is coming. And as my friend Bob says, keep your eyes on the horizon, look forward to what's next, take note of what's now, but remain undistracted by either. I love you. You're awesome. Have a great day. I'll see you next week.